Today, we're going to draw a cute yellow cat. Step 1. Draw a circle for the head. Draw a little bigger circle for the body. Now we have a snowman shape. Draw 2 triangles on top for the ears. Let's draw the eyes. Draw 2 little circles. Then, draw a little dot inside each one. Draw a small triangle for the nose. Draw 2 lines under the nose for the mouth. Don't forget the whiskers. 2 lines on the left and 2 lines on the right. Inside the circle, draw 3 long lines for the legs. Now, draw short lines between for the feet. Last step, let's draw a curvy tail on the side, up and around. It's time to color. We only need 2 colors today, yellow and black. Now, color the nose black. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.